Facebook just came up with a new update for its Facebook Stories platform, which allows you to share events with your friends. Did you know about it? If not, stay tuned for this video. We're going to cover it in this episode. All right, welcome back everybody, and thank you for joining me on today's segment of Digital Marketing News. Today, my name is Jordan Steen, and I am your host here at Serial Entrepreneur. And at this channel, we talk all about starting a marketing agency, building a personal brand, or really just starting any kind of online business. So if you're interested in any of those topics, make sure that you subscribe to our channel by clicking that button and the notification bell in the bottom right-hand corner of this video. Oh, and before we get into today's update about Facebook Stories, make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video, because if you do, we'll make sure to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to actually incorporate these events into your stories. Stay tuned. Now, Facebook has struggled over the past couple of months releasing its platform for Facebook Stories and actually getting its user base involved. What's really cool about this new event option is it's going to target more of that younger demographic, because more of the younger demographic is involved with events on Facebook and sharing them with their friends on social platforms like Facebook or Instagram, things like that. Now, luckily for you, if you didn't know, it already is active on Facebook, and all you have to do is go over to any event, click the share icon, and then share that event to your stories. And then people on your stories, or people who follow your story, will be able to update you and let you know if they're going or they're interested as well. So that way everybody can kind of coordinate things together. Speaking of challenges though, Facebook has had quite a few challenges from a marketing perspective with all of the new platforms, or really not new platforms, but platforms that are coming in as marketing platforms in the industry. You know, they're really starting to take some of that share away from Facebook. And so not too long ago, we put together this video on whether Facebook will even be relevant in 2020. So if you're interested in that topic and the conversation happening around that, check out that video in the top right-hand corner. What's really cool is we asked a bunch of other influencers like Ruan Marino, Maxwell Finn, and Jeremy Adams, and several others what they thought about Facebook marketing and where it would be in 2020. So if you want to see their opinions as well, we incorporated them into that video. Also, a cool thing about this is that for marketers, you'll actually have the stickers option, right? So what'll be really cool is if marketers can find a way to incorporate custom stickers into these stories that go along with their event. So not only are you creating an event, but you're creating an experience and even custom stickers to go along with that allow users to engage even more with whatever it is that you're putting on. So let me ask you something. Could you see yourself using stickers on your Facebook stories? If so, what kind of stickers do you think would be relevant for an event? I would like to see you guys' ideas below, because this is going to be something that we're going to be able to do here very soon. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, and also, if this is a really cool topic for you and you're really liking that we're putting together these Digital Marketing News Today videos, please do me a favor, leave a thumbs up. That lets me know that you really like these news segments. If you do, we really want to keep putting them together for you. So let us know by liking the video and giving it a thumbs up below. But that's it for the update. And since you stayed till the end, we're gonna walk you through how to set one of these up very quickly. If you don't like to see it on video and you like to see it documented, you can also go right below this video and go in the description, look for the blog article link, and we have it written out step by step over there as well at serialentrepreneur.academy. All right guys, so to share an event, all you have to do, or at least to share it to your stories, because you could always share it. This is enabling you to share it to your stories and allow your friends to engage. All you have to do is click share on your screen, which in case you couldn't see that because I used my finger, it's right here, share. You're just gonna click that and then you'll see share to your story. Then it's going to pull it up right here and you can see this little interested button. People who see this on your story and also want to go also just have to click this little button and it will take them directly to the event page and let them, you know, determine whether they're going to go and buy tickets or, you know, whatever else they need to do to take part in that event. But it even gives them the date, other people are going, what it is, and just, you know, the title of that actual event. So you can see we were very, very unique in how we put, you know, how we wanted people to join. We knew there would be a button down here, so we put some context right there, what it was, a YouTube live event, and when it was, Thursday, January 31st, right? So we could promote this across YouTube and actually have other people sharing this event as well. So this is a really, really cool thing to incorporate. Make sure you guys incorporate this into your strategies for 2019 and forever on. So that's how to use it, guys, and that's what the new update on Facebook Stories is all about. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below, right below this video. Also, make sure to go back and check out that question I asked you guys earlier, which was basically asking you to give me your feedback on stickers inside the story for events, like custom stickers for those events. Let me know your thoughts below, but I'm gonna get out of here. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get access to more videos, more training, more giveaways, everything that we do here at my channel. I think I might have said giveaways twice, but you guys get what I'm saying. I'm gonna get out of here and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, Serial Entrepreneur out. Bye, guys.
Ready to start living the six-figure work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.